You're looking at the Energizer LED lantern with light fusion technology. Before we start, if you like the videos and you would like to see more, please consider subscribing. If you want to be notified as soon as I post a new video, click the bell icon. It puts out up to 400 lumens on high mode. It also has two other modes, low light mode and dimmable light mode. They say it has a runtime of 100 hours, but that's only in low mode. They state it's great for camping, work around the house, hurricanes, and survival kits. I agree with all of that. They say it's rugged and durable and water resistant to splashing. It has a bright and even light that can provide up to 360 degrees of light. I think it would be great in a campsite setting. I think it is a versatile work light or area light. It's touted to be hands-free, and that's true. It has a kickstand that folds out and is also collapsible for easy storage. The original price was $35. The Amazon price is right around $20. It ranked 140 on the Amazon Sport and Outdoor list. 462 people rated this device 3.8 out of 5 stars. 93 people gave this product a 1-star rating, but I think they gave it a 1-star rating for the wrong reason. Like them, I could not get the light to stay on longer than 10 seconds. I've had this lantern for 2 years and just now discovered the small print on the back of the lantern. The small print explains how to get the lamp out of demo or store mode. Demo mode only allows the light to stay on for 10 seconds, like I said earlier. Like me, many thought the batteries were bad, and so they changed the batteries out, hoping to get longer than 10 seconds, but they were wrong. Other people thought the product was just defective. That was also wrong. The actual problem were the instructions. The pamphlet that comes with the light is confusing. The correct instructions are actually listed on the back of the device. Once you do what it says, it actually works. So in summary, would I buy another one of these? Yes, I would, now that I know how it works. It uses 4 AA batteries since the device was manufactured by Energizer. If you like these videos, please consider subscribing. If you want to know when I post a new video, click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.